How to delete group chat on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. The Messages app allows users to send and receive text messages, photos, videos, and other media. It also supports features like group messaging, voice messages, and the ability to schedule messages. You are now in the Messages page where you can view all your messages. Go to the group chat you want to delete from here. Then, press and hold that chat and swipe left. And then, tap on the Delete button. Tap on Delete again to confirm. You can repeat this to delete the other group chats from here as well. Following these steps, you can easily delete group chat on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.